Hi, John Pitts with Carmel Automobilia again with more street interviews sponsored by great friends at Classic Auto Insurance. I'm here with Damon and this beautiful 67 Firebird. So first of all, you got to tell me the name of this color.
This color is called, I think they're calling it Cabot Orange.
Cabot Orange.
Yeah. We had some powder coat matched to it, and that's what they called it.
Okay.
It's a customer's custom color that he made up. So
I think it's very close to Penske Orange or Retinal Serine Orange. Those are all things that tie out.
For sure.
But what a neat car, and you've done so many neat things to make it obviously racy, right? It's
Absolutely.
Obviously, it's a 67 body, but
Yep.
I mean, the skirting, the flares, the air dam, everything is engineered by you guys,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So yeah, there's these fender flares on here are all made of one-piece flat stock 18 gauge hand formed in our shop.
Awesome.
Yeah, we made all the body kit for it. I mean, like I said, it's really endless. The car sits on a full roadster shop chassis,
Okay.
so it's a full chassis car now.
Okay.
So we built the transmission tunnel, the floors, the wheel tubs, the trunk pan, all that kind of stuff.
Okay.
So, and this is obviously the big part of it is the motor.
Gotcha. Well, and the motor, it looks like an LSA block, is that right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And what's on top of that bad boy?
That is a Kenny Bell supercharger.
Kenny Bell supercharger.
3.6 liters. So
Okay. Well, that'll move some air.
It does. Yeah, and it's all the internals are from Lingenfelter.
Okay.
So they made it and it makes 900 horse and 850 foot-pounds of torque. So it's a beast.
You know, anything under 800, you're
Oh,
kidding
yeah.
yourself.
Yeah, absolutely,
Exactly.
yeah,
Well,
absolutely.
it sounds really good. When you were coming
Great.
through the lot, I stopped you and said, we're going to do a street interview.
It sounds good.
But great craftsmanship, and thank you for sharing it with us.
No
and
problem.
thanks for bringing it out today.
Yeah, thanks for coming by.
Thanks.
Classic Auto. Agreed value, mileage rollover, and tiered mileage plans. Classic Auto. Insuring your vehicle. Insuring your passion. Call or click Classic Auto today.